Is Ally Bank safe? A question that might pop into your mind as you consider online banking options. After all, your hard-earned money is at stake. Let's dive deep and uncover the truth about Ally Bank's safety and security. In today's digital age, online banking has become increasingly popular. It offers convenience, flexibility, and often higher interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. However, with the convenience comes a natural concern: is your money safe? This is especially true when considering online-only banks like Ally Bank. In this video, we'll delve into Ally Bank's safety net, exploring its insurance coverage, financial stability, and overall reputation. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Ally Bank is a reliable choice for your banking needs. 1. FDIC Insurance. Understanding FDIC, explain what the FDIC is and how it protects deposits. Ally Bank's coverage clearly state that Ally Bank is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are protected up to the standard limit. How FDIC insurance works: briefly outline the process of how the FDIC protects depositors in case of bank failure. 2. Ally Bank's financial strength. A strong financial position. Discuss Ally Bank's solid financial performance and its ability to withstand economic downturns. No recent issues. Highlight the bank's history of stability and the absence of major scandals or crises. Regulatory oversight. Explain that Ally Bank, like all banks, is subject to rigorous regulatory oversight by federal agencies. 3. Ally Bank's reputation. Positive customer reviews. Share insights from customer reviews and testimonials, emphasizing positive experiences. Awards and recognition. Mention any awards or recognitions Ally Bank has received in the industry. Strong customer service. Discuss Ally Bank's commitment to excellent customer service and its accessibility through various channels. 4. Comparing Ally Bank to traditional banks. Similarities in safety. Explain that while online banks like Ally may seem different, they are subject to the same regulations and safeguards as traditional banks. Potential advantages of online banking. Highlight the benefits of online banking, such as higher interest rates and lower fees. 5. Addressing common concerns. Security measures. Discuss the robust security measures Ally Bank employs to protect customer information and funds. Data privacy. Reassure viewers about Ally Bank's commitment to data privacy and its adherence to industry best practices. Accessibility. Explain how Ally Bank provides various options for accessing your account, including online banking, mobile banking, and phone support. Conclusion. So, is Ally Bank safe? Based on its FDIC insurance, strong financial performance, positive reputation, and rigorous regulatory oversight, the answer is a resounding yes. While it's essential to do your own research and consider your specific needs, Ally Bank presents a reliable and secure option for your banking needs. Remember, your money is valuable, and choosing a safe and trustworthy bank is crucial. Ally Bank has proven itself to be a solid choice, offering the convenience of online banking with the peace of mind that comes from knowing your deposits are protected. If you're considering making the switch to Ally Bank, I encourage you to explore their website and learn more about their offerings. You can also check out the comments section below for first-hand experiences from other customers. Thanks for watching, and until next time.